Imagine waking up one morning to breaking news spreading across every screen on Earth. Scientists have detected something massive entering the edge of our solar system. It's not a comet, not a rogue planet, not anything humanity has ever faced before. A silent monster. Invisible, yet unimaginably powerful. A black hole. From that moment, everything changes. Fear replaces curiosity, and a single question haunts the entire planet. What happens when a black hole comes for Earth? Black holes. Cosmic predators that devour everything light, matter, even time itself. They do not chase, they do not roar, they simply exist. Waiting, and now, one of them is drifting toward us. At first, the signs appear subtle, a tiny shift in the orbit of distant asteroids. A pattern scientists cannot explain, but data grows, and the truth becomes undeniable. On live television, a pale astrophysicist faces the world and announces, voice trembling, that they have confirmed the object's identity. It is small, but dense beyond imagination. A black hole is approaching our home. Panic spreads like wildfire. Governments hold emergency meetings. Markets collapse. The internet explodes with theories, some hopeful, most terrifying. People pray. Others deny. Many try to live as if nothing is happening, but deep down, everyone knows life will never be the same. You might think the threat begins only when it gets close, but black holes don't need to touch us to destroy us. They're gravity twists. Space-time itself, tides rise unnaturally. Satellites drift off course. Clocks lose synchronization. Something is bending reality, and Earth can feel the pull. Night grows longer, as if darkness itself is claiming more of the day. Strange lights dance across the sky as magnetic fields distort. Scientists attempt to reassure the world, but their voices sound like fading hope in an ocean of fear, in labs and control rooms. Humanity prepares its greatest gamble. Gigantic rockets designed to push Earth slightly off its orbit, buying time. Billions of dollars, thousands of experts. One mission survival. Test launches fail. Engines explode. Pressure rises. Days pass. The black hole grows closer. And then, the first undeniable blow, gravity waves ripple through the solar system. The moon's orbit wobbles. Tides surge into coastal cities. Millions evacuate. Deserts flood. Volcanoes awaken beneath the oceans. The world we knew is slipping away. Skies twist into cosmic spirals. Stars near the horizon curve unnaturally, as though space itself is folding. Light bends around a dark point in the distance, beautiful. Mesmerizing, deadly. Time seems too slow, or maybe our minds are struggling to comprehend what we are witnessing. Power grids fail. Communication breaks. Cities fall into a silence so thick it feels alive. No engines, no planes. No neon glow, only the sound of wind over empty streets and distant lightning in a broken sky. The monster arrives, not wheat fire but with silence. Gravity stretches the planet like taffy. Mountains crumble, oceans tear upward into walls of water. Buildings rise and twist before collapsing into dust. Everything stretches toward the invisible center of doom. As Earth inches closer to the event horizon, the line where escape becomes impossible, time itself fractures. Seconds feel like hours. The planet elongates, atoms separating, matter unraveling. From a distance, Earth looks like a streak of light spiraling into darkness. Fading, falling, gone. No explosion, no final scream. Just a world erased by gravity. But maybe, just maybe, there's another possibility. What if Earth passes near the black hole, not into it? We would survive, but changed forever. A scorched atmosphere, fractured continents, poisoned oceans, a new Earth, strange, unrecognizable. Civilization rebuilt from ashes, telling stories of the day humanity stood on the edge of oblivion. And if we fall completely, maybe inside that darkness, time flows differently. Maybe an instant for us is millions of years outside. Civilization could live briefly inside a place where the universe itself breaks. Or maybe we become nothing more than scattered particles dancing around an endless void. The truth is simple and terrifying. In front of a black hole, we are nothing. A fragile species clinging to a tiny blue dot in an ocean without end. Yet, despite our size, we look up, we question, we explore. We dare to imagine what lies beyond. So the next time you stare into the night sky and wonder about the unknown, remember somewhere in that darkness, silent giants drift through the cosmos, and one day, one of them could turn its gaze toward us. Will we escape? Will we fight? Or will our story end in a whisper, swallowed by gravity? No one knows, and that is what makes the universe both terrifying and beautiful.